It's your girl Brie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And guys, literally, just wake up. I have to get ready because I heard we're going to the beach, and who am I to pass up that opportunity and to vlog? So I'm gonna try to throw that because I'm make ready. So I'm gonna go with my cousin. So I'm gonna wait for her. So rough. Guys, I'm hungry. Who tell me to take up a snack, and the journey to Negril is crazy long. Like, yes, it is. I'm hungry. My lip dry. Just, I'm dying out here.
I can't look sick.
When me go lip gloss, mama, girl, I'm hungry. We on the road to Negril. Alex, so disgusting. Oh my god, disgusting. Guys, you're actually on carrying a whole horse. So guys, these are things we got over there, guys. Come on, come. Okay, right. Guys, we made it to the beach. We made it to the beach. It's been so long. Yeah, it's not even sea grape season. Dropping it and dropping it. Look at sweet, sweet Jamaica. Wow. Guys, this beach is not enjoyable because there's seaweed everywhere in the water. Can you all see? Literally. I'm in there for 5 minutes. The water is so dark. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Yeah. She be popping it, then dropping it slowly.
Then they still enjoy.
Exactly, unlike us.
That's why I'm going to go in.
Yeah, not crying. We're currently leaving the beach now. We didn't want to stay that long because the water is just not giving what it's supposed to, you know? It's not giving. So one look at the beach. This literally just make it worse. Woo. One last look. Guys, look at this. And look, there's somebody over there. Yeah, so it was a little mini vlog, you know, guys. We're currently at the beach. Literally right side over water. Can you all see though? I cannot deal with it. But we don't know that it's getting hot in the body shop, doing something on. Chanel, that not sound right. That does not. Guys, plus rain I go fall, and yeah, I don't want to be here for that, so we're getting the what I think I'm joking. The $12 million is a $12 million sign. Look at it. Oh my God! Look at that. That's crazy. What?
$1 million for that and a team.
That's a joke. I must lie.
I must say $1 million and
guys, let's talk about that $1 million sign though. Really, Andrew Hollis? Really? You're serious right now? Seriously, Vanessa? Like, there's no way that's cost $12 million. That must be 12,000, cause that's crazy.
I mean, 1 million. When me not that $1
Bruh.
Me look like a trash. I'm not in mind. Look
right here.
A beach bed.
Exactly. right now,
I'm
guys.
hungry.
A food me are looking out. I'm hungry. You know, me I cut out that. Nobody needs to know that. That's TMI. TMI. Guys, you know what I want right now is some jerk chicken. That I want right now. Some jerk chicken more right now. Yeah, that will come hungry. This girl wait more time, man. Call me. Brianna, you want to come over here with me? I say yes. I say, you have to get ready. Somebody say, your father they up here now? She say yes. My thing say she come before honey now. I literally get 20 minutes. 20 minutes to get ready. I'm literally just wake up out of my sleep. So me have to hurry up, catch up me here. In a one, not even jelly because I be triggered so I think I'm never gonna wash me here. I'ma pop my things there, I'm rushing and all. Yeah, guys, my friends know what's going on. You see that bag? Yeah, I used it. Because I didn't have no other bag to wear, so. Besties! Y'all know what's up. Anyways, I have nothing else to say. Guys.
You can't leave we get some food.
Yeah. See ya later. Yes, currently we are on the verge of drowning. The rain is falling and it's getting in the vehicle and our father went to do something, I don't know. So the car is off and we can't close the window, so yay us. You know what that clock do?
Nope.
Oh my god. We pay some people in there. Hey man. Alright, you. Yeah man.
I drop on the floor.
So yeah. Guys might look so horrible, but I don't care.
Start the car. Start the car.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys.
Little we can see. But guys, we reached back home in our community.
Finally I got some food.
Yeah, we're at the restaurant getting something to eat.
Bad news, Brandon I get our jerk chicken.
Yeah, no jerk chicken for me. But guys, I've been craving jerk chicken. Oh my god.
That's about Lucy.
Girl. Not with the man them, but now I like jerk chicken from the man them.
Different person, but you would have to wait until Christmas until night evening. That time you will get jerk. Christmas on my face look ugly.
Me hungry, I'm cold. Me want beard Sunday everywhere. We cannot matter. This is so uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. I'm hungry. Did I say that? Yeah. Guys, as y'all can see, I've reached back home. We reached back home. Guys, we eat our food. No mega beer because yeah, it's time. I'm tired. So
I'm be around child.
thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my social media platforms down below. Bye guys.